Hey folks, this is Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. I hope everybody's doing absolutely fantastic. I got another really quick, useful tip for you. Often we run into trouble here when we type something really profound and we want to tag or mention someone. So it gets really tough sometimes when I'm trying to bring up a John Smith, mention somebody at John Smith. And there are 64,000, I did this test, 64,000 some odd John Smiths in my network. But I know he works for a company called Preferred, so I type in the first word of the company name. And there's John Smith, Preferred Services, Preferred Physical. Here's another John Smith and another John Smith. But I can also, if I go type in services, then it bombs out. But check this out, I can type in the second name of the company. And there's John Smith Services, Preferred Services, Integrated Services. This is probably Management Services, Norwood Services. So it can help in different situations to refine it. I'll give you another example. So if I type in my name at Teddy Burriss, well, there's two Teddy Burriss, there's a Theodore Burriss, one's misspelled. But if I go type in Burriss again, it's going to refine the list with Burriss. It'll refine the list with consulting. And furthermore, it'll refine the list with Inc. Teddy Burriss of Burriss Consulting, Inc. What I can't do, though, is I can't type in Burriss Consulting because that screws it up. You can only type in the first name of the person, the second name of the person, and any word in the company name. I discovered this quick little workaround of first name, last name, and any word in the company name when you're trying to tag someone by working with Stan Robinson, one of my peers up in New York City. Appreciate your help finding this out, Stan. I hope this is useful to everyone.